As an affiliate, every once in a while, I find something good over at Warrior Plus. I can put a nice little 30-day stretch together, as you can see here. The thing that I just found was a guide to selling AI prompt packs or a guide to selling AI prompt packs. It was only available for 48 hours, but the focus here is on the affiliate link and the fact that once you have your Warrior Plus affiliate link, and almost every platform has this capability, is you can take that link and then what you can do is you can break it down and you can segment it, or you can add what is called a tracking ID. This little bit of information right here will tell you where your traffic is coming from or when someone clicks. So for example, if you were to make a YouTube video, and this is supposed to be a YouTube play button, a video, if I was to make a YouTube video and I was to link to a bridge page and then add my affiliate link right here, we'll just say AF, my affiliate link, I want to know that that traffic or that the people that saw that video came from YouTube versus Facebook, so I can really understand and know where my audience is hanging out, and I can focus more on that free traffic source. Then, of course, we come back here and then I check this one off first because I'm going to show you too that you can copy and paste each one of these links and create a different page and track exactly where your traffic is coming from. Now, what I do, and you can see here, I wanted to show you, is you can see inside of Warrior Plus, I can see that I have sales coming from email, YouTube, and my Facebook profile. But what I did, if you go back, or this is inside of Lead Creator, what I did is I just created one page. Here you can see email, YouTube, and Facebook page. I created this email page right here, which is a bonus page. It's just a bridge page. I'll go ahead and click view and let you take a look at it. This is what it looks like. It just has a nice little headline. It has a subheadline. I took this image right off the sales page. Here's my YouTube video because I'm sending people from my email list over to this bridge page to get all the information about this product. And of course, I just included my YouTube video review right here. But the magic happens when you come down here. You add this button, click here to start. This is your affiliate link. This is what you're copying. You're copying this link right here, and you are sending people from your email list to click this link. You're sending people from your Facebook profile to click this link. And we talked about it down here in this example. You're sending people from your YouTube video over to click that affiliate link right there. You're tracking all that information, email, YouTube, Facebook profile. You're tracking all that information, and you're doing that. You saw the email page. Once I created that, I just simply came here and clicked duplicate. And then I go inside of the page here, I click and I go inside the content editor. And down here for the button, all I'm doing is clicking this button and you got it, right? I'm just copying and pasting the link right here. And I'll go ahead because I want to show you everything in this video. And so you can see how simple it is. I'm just tracking that that is when people click on that, people came from my email list. So even this page right here, all of this information right here is essentially just copy and paste because all I'm doing here is going to Gemini and I'm starting a conversation and I'm saying a new affiliate promo to my audience that is interested in AI PLR and creating their own product or bonuses for affiliate sales. And I just said, I need an angle for a bonus offer. Here's the details. $22 product, a guide to selling AI prompt packs, 48-hour limited PLR. Then it gives me some information right here that I want to use. So what do? I just come down here and again, I just click copy and then I take that back to the editor. And what do you do when you copy something? You just click paste and it pastes it in and it creates this bridge page. And again, I want to make sure that every time someone clicks this button, I'm able to track my sales, whether it came from email, YouTube, or the Facebook profile. And again, I'm doing that with this tracking link, and I'll clear this off the board because I want you to really understand and see this. I want you to be able to see how simple this is. We have this link, and this link I'm going to track when people click, and this is my lead magnet right here, or this is my bridge page that we talked about down here. So if I send somebody an email, I want to send them to that specific tracking link and know that when they click that, it's going to get tagged with that specific tracking ID that says email. knowing that they clicked this link right here, then I can see these broken down. And then over the course of 30 days, as there are better products or good products that you can find, more products, better products, products that you feel comfortable with promoting, you can make something like $948. This is just a small example of what I do. And understand that all I'm doing is using free traffic from my YouTube channel. So you can see here's the video. And if you take a quick look right here, 30minute.link, a guide to selling AI prompt packs, 48-hour limited PLR YouTube. We go back and you can see that is my YouTube link right there. So again, the focus is I send everyone to this link right here from my YouTube video. You can just pause real quick, but you'll see that this is the link tagged with YouTube right here from my YouTube channel, free traffic inside of my video. I'll go ahead and highlight that for you. Nothing held back, not hiding anything, showing you everything you need to know and understand. If I want to do it from Facebook, what do? I make a Facebook post and you can see this link right here. If you look down the left-hand corner, you'll see the full link. It just says FB-profile. Then if I want to send an email, I'm doing that inside of System.io, and I just create an email. Then I'll just go ahead and click here to open up that email. Then you can see here inside of the editor, I've highlighted that. Again, nothing held back. Look down there, 30minute.link, a guide to selling AI prompt packs, 48-hour limited PLR, FB profile -dash email. Again, FB profile, YouTube, email. Going back to the simple copy and paste concept here of understanding that once you have one link, and this link here is tracking for email, then this link here is going to track for Facebook. This link here is going to track for YouTube. It all adds up from all these free traffic sources to build your email list, which is super cool. And I do it for free using Lead Creator. I just simply click and duplicate, and I'm copying and pasting from AI, just giving it a little helpful information from what the vendor provided me as an affiliate or you as an affiliate. They give you all the information, pop it into Gemini, let AI do all the heavy lifting, all the hard work for you. You just focus on traffic and where your traffic is coming from. Make sure you add that little tracking ID, and you are off to the races to earning affiliate commissions. That's what I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks for watching. Check out this video right here next. I think you'll like it as much, if not more than this one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.